guys, welcome back to the channel, girl. I hope you guys are doing well. Yeah, so we're gonna be trying out this today. This is from Makeup Revolution and this is from the Pro line. This is a cream skin perfector CC skin tint with vitamin E. Okay, and it says shape adapting technology, high definition, radiance, soft focus skin care. So this is a super lightweight skin tint with shade adapting properties, suitable for all skin tones, lightweight and buildable, cruelty free. So this Makeup Revolution Pro CC Perfecting Skin Tint just got a lot better. The Makeup Revolution CC Perfecting Skin Tint is known for its innovative and lightweight cream formula that uniquely shade adapts to blend out to suit your skin tone. It's magic in a tube. Oh, okay. So let's see, girl. Okay, so there's no reviews on this. This is brand new. So we'll just see what it's about. This is it here. Okay, so let me just prep the skin. I'm gonna use this Makeup Revolution Prime Bright Primer. This is it here. I'm just gonna take a little bit and just put it all over the face. So if you guys are new here, hey, my name is Sheenan and I have dry skin, girl. She is dry. She just cracky all over. I don't have a specific time when my skin feels good. My skin is always dry. She always need water, she need moisturizing. So you know, we are just here to see if this is gonna work for us dry girls, and we're gonna see. We're just gonna go with the flow. I'm gonna take a little bit and I'm gonna put it on this side first. Okay, so this is kind of strange. This is what it is. Okay, it's like gray. So this is supposed to match my skin tone. So I guess this is why they only have 4 shades. It all depends on your skin tone and it will match it, I guess. So I'm gonna use my fingers today. Let me just see. Okay, so I'm gonna just take my fingers and rub it in. So it's supposed to match my skin tone. Ooh. Okay, this is kind of strange. I never really use anything like that. This is so cool. Oh. Oh, wow. This is very moisturizing. Ooh. I love the way it feels on my skin. It feels very soft. Okay. All right, Makeup Revolution. All right, I'm gonna take a little bit and put here. Oh, this is so cool. I never even use anything like this. So this is pretty cool. I was not expecting this to look like this. Now as you guys see this side, and this is the side with no foundation. I'm actually liking this CC cream. I like the way it looks. A CC cream is not there to give you any coverage or any like heavy coverage or anything like that. It just feels really nice. Okay, and it actually matches my skin tone pretty good. Is it, or is it just me? I think it looked good. I don't know. What do you guys think? Let me just take a little bit and put here. How many ounces is this? This is, oh, this is 87 fluid ounce. So it's not even 1 fluid ounce. That's why I'm like, why this feels like it's empty? You really don't get a lot. Like, come on. I guess you're not supposed to put a lot of it, but as you guys see, but for the price of $12, I think they should at least make this 1 fluid ounce. What's 0.887 fluid ounce for $12? That's a lot. I guess you don't need a lot on your face, but knowing how heavy-handed I am, I probably would need more of this. I'll take a little bit and put on my nose. I need a little bit there. It actually feels like I'm putting lotion on my face, but it's not like heavy or anything, no grease or anything. It feels like very light, but it matches your skin tone while you're rubbing it on your skin. I think that is pretty cool, but I still do like it. I think this is a great CC cream. It's not even heavy, it's not sticky. It looks really nice. Girl, I like this. As you guys can see, you know, you really don't get a lot of coverage, but CC cream is not there to give you, you know, a lot of coverage. I think this is one of the best CC cream I used so far this year, and I never used CC cream from Makeup Revolution or something like this, so it's pretty cool. And it feels really, really nice. I love how my skin look. I think this will work so well for the summertime because the weather is changing now. I like it, and you really don't need a lot of it. The coverage is perfect. And you know me, girl, I'm always thinking that things are too dark for me because I go with my neck. So I did put a little powder on. This is the powder that I use. This is from number 7, and I just put a little bit on the skin. Not too much, just to, you know, even it out a little bit. This don't really look bad. I really do like this skin tint. So I like the fact that the shade adapts to blend out to suit your skin tone. I think this is really clever. I never use anything like that. I don't like the fact that it's 87 fluid ounce. You really don't get a lot in there at all, because when I was trying to get the product out, I had to really squeeze to get the product out. It's not a lot. It's a little bit, but you really don't need a lot of this product. I'm gonna really wear this in the summertime. I like to wear skin tint in the summertime, nothing heavy, just to give my skin a nice little glow. And I recommend this for all skin type. I think you should try it out and see if it works for you. I really do like it. I'm gonna keep this. I really am. I'm gonna keep this one. I do like it. So let me just show you guys right here on this side. It's not, you know, it's not coverage or anything. I'm just showing you guys the glow and stuff like that. Look at it. It's actually, it don't even match. Okay, you could tell my neck and my face is 2 different shade as always. So I really do like this. I think this look really, really pretty. I love the coverage. I really don't care for a full coverage sometimes. I was actually looking for a CC cream, but I was looking for something that is not heavy, and this came right in time for me to try this, and I recommend this. So let me know what you guys think about this product. I would love to hear what you guys have to say. So thank you guys so much. See you guys in the next video. Bye guys.